And I'm here to actually apologize for that video because
I apologize, you know.
To sincerely apologize.
Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. A video has been making its rounds on social media with Tanania, TC, and quite Perry-rating carnival outfits. The video has since been deleted, but I am here to spill the tea and get your opinion. A particular social media personal that goes by the name Trisanze wore a carnival outfit and it got their attention. Perry, TC, and Tanania reacted to her carnival look, and it took a turn for the worst as they had to make a public apology. Take a look and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
In carnival, body's list is Trisanze,
What is this? What's your name? Trisanze, never done ready or what?
What you mean?
No,
the backpack.
No, Trisanze never done ready because me don't understand.
Wait,
She
hold on.
pretty everything, her body is nice and everything. Mom just feel like the costume incomplete.
Yeah, boy.
This for me,
It's like my Cisco.
I would only ever be wearing.
complete.
I would only ever be wearing this by itself if I treated that day too. What day two kept wearing with the bodysuit alone?
So this give me a Monday
Wear that's what I'm trying to talk about. But for Jamaica carnival, we get one chance for sure what you're made of. I don't feel like it's complete for real.
No, I feel like it's Cisco.
Love the body positivity and everything. I love the use of the
She
stockings.
actually,
Your white
her
sneakers and your blue.
Her skin very clean.
Yeah, she chrome too.
Yeah, they're chrome.
She chrome. I love this banner.
everything.
It's like in the Empress Royal. Where's she?
Tanania, TC, and Perry did not waste any time after they received backlash from the video they made rating carnival outfits. All three apologized for their actions. Check this out.
hi guys. So by now I know most of you have heard of or have seen the video that I posted on my YouTube channel titled Rating Carnival Bodies. Now I have seen a lot of the conversation and heard a lot of the chatter online, and I'm here to actually apologize for that video because I feel the intent of it is being misread. It was never a video to belittle anyone, to make anyone feel small, to make anyone feel less than or less loved. I am somebody who promotes positivity in all aspects, and I realize that the content of the video and the comments may make persons feel negatively, and for that I apologize. This is specifically to Trisanze. The comments that were made were never geared to you personally. They were light-hearted coming from us, but I do see where we've caused you some harm and some pain, and for that, anybody who has felt any sort of way negatively from that video, I apologize. The video has since been removed from my channel and I will not be doing any more of those videos. I thank you so much for teaching me that lesson, Trisanze, because it is something that I needed to learn, that some comments, whilst you may have meant it positively, can be misread. So for you guys who watched it and who watched me, thank you so much for always supporting me. I appreciate the love and the support that I've received also. And for those who've also told me that I was wrong, thank you for that, because we do need that in this space. Again, the video has been removed and I sincerely apologize to anybody who felt any sort of way negatively stemming from that video. But as always, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, so I know everybody see what take place on the internet and everything. So I see all of the comments, I see all of the videos them, I see everything. I'm not saying allow beat me, I'm not do my good. But I just want to sincerely apologize to anybody that was mentioned in the video that felt offended. It really and truly wasn't in my intentions to offend anybody or disrespect anybody or let anybody feel less than themselves. You understand me? I don't know the doll. Me's a very fun, jovial person, and if anybody know me, them know say I some stay, but and not everybody know me. You understand? And everybody know me personally for say alright then yeah, that's just TC, you shouldn't mean it by nothing. So again, I just want to apologize if I offend anybody, let anybody feel disrespected. I wasn't trying to bully anybody or anything like that. You understand me? So going forward, I will be more mindful, and again, I sincerely apologize.
So in light of a recent video that was posted on Tanania's channel, Rating Carnival Baddies, featuring myself and TC, I've seen the conversations, I've seen the comments, I've seen the tweets, I've seen the threads, and much like everything else in my life, I do a lot of reflecting, and I can honestly say that, Rowan, that was not it. What you did was not it. And as well-intended as things may be in life, you have no control over how people receive things. And I do believe that you should apologize, you should take accountability, and you should be responsible, you know? And for that, I just want to come forward and say that in making a video of that nature was a very poor choice. You know, that was just not a good idea, you know, especially with what the essence of carnival is. You know, it's all about having a good time, being free on the road. You know, it's about how you feel. You know, it should never be about what you have on, backpack, otherwise no backpack, whatever it is, you know. And the original intent was to just make a light-hearted video with your friends, but that was just not what it was, and that's just not how it turned out to be, and that's just not how it was received. And I'm okay in standing on that. You know, I'm okay in saying to the persons, or the females in the video rather, that I apologize. You know, if I ever made any of you feel small, indifferent, or just bad about yourself, you know, because I know what that feels like, you know, being subjected to the opinions of people. And to make it even worse, you're not only being subjected to my opinions or TC's opinions or Tanania's opinions, but you're also now being subjected to the opinions of our audiences, you know, which is not something that everybody just wake up and say, yeah man, I eat this, you know. So I can understand why that would be not a nice feeling. And as someone who is an advocate of, you know, just being responsible on the internet and watching what you post, this was just not in keeping with, you know, what I stand for and what I represent. So I want to also thank you guys for, you know, holding me accountable and saying, why Rowan, this no look good, you know. So all in all, I just want to apologize to everyone who, you know, was offended by the video, and everyone who was a part of the video who felt offended. You know, it was a poor choice, and I stand on that, you know, and I just want to say again that I'm sorry, you know. Yeah, I want to say that I'm sorry about that, you know. So I want to encourage you guys to be, you know, kinder on the internet, myself included, you know, and just be nice to people, you know, encourage people, lift people up. But at the end of the day, definitely watch what you post. Watch what you post. So, yeah. All right.
After watching the video with TC, Perry, and Tanania judging the outfits, it seems the word reached Trisanze, and she let everyone know that she did not went to Carnival for the hype. She simply went for enjoyment.
It not gonna stop me from having a good experience. And you have to remember, Carnival is an experience. Some people go there for the pictures, some people go there for just the good vibes. That's more me. So personally, rocking the costume is good enough for me. You're lucky you never see me in a t-shirt and shorts. It is not that serious. But you just have to remember, people go to Carnival for different reasons, different experiences, different aspects of Carnival that they really like. So they're entitled to their opinion. But you know the point that I really want to touch on too, I feel like with social media, and this is a part of social media that I don't necessarily love. People just want to see somebody that talk something bad about you, and you see everybody kind of join in and add them 2 cents. All would never have a backbone to say it from before. None of them never did have the backbone to comment and say, me feel like this thing complete underneath the post them. But as soon as them people here want to glorify,
Jamaican recording artist Cecile speaks about women in Jamaica giving men jacket, and it is one of the worst things a woman could ever do to a man. I honestly believe that men deserves to know the truth, and it's not fair for both the man or the child. What do you think?
No man can get jacket. You think it's a ghetto thing?
Aye.
Listen,
Aye.
me researching it very, very well. Women, to me, do one of the worst things in the world, and it's give a man a jacket. It's one of the worst things to me. And I remember a friend of mine calling me. She was crying. And she said, I said, what happened to you? She was like, oh, I just coming from the embassy because my dad filed for me. And she said, out of the 4 kids, only one of us are for my dad. It's my brother. And she was bawling down the whole place. And she said, her mother was still saying she never cheated. She said, I must a dopey breed her. That's evil. None of the kids were his, except one. Man get trouble, and I've had my share of, but I don't think a man can do anything to hurt a woman as much as that. And maybe a lot of women are not going to agree with me, but it's something that I've thought about, and I hate it.
Yeah.
And I have a daughter, and I couldn't picture if I didn't know who her dad was, which to me is okay. If you had more than one partners, I mean, not judge nobody, but I think society put this thing on women, so they're so scared. I mean, it can't be just wickedness to me, that they're so scared to say, I don't know who the father could be. But it causes so much problem. It causes problem for the child. It causes problem for the man who has gotten a kid and spending money that's not his. And what about the real father? Some people care.
True.
Some men actually want to
Congratulations to Miss Donna in her most recent achievement. May you continue rise and be successful in everything you do. Her photos tell the tale.
Hurry up and fix the blood clot light! Bumbo clot, you big mango! A mango, them fix the bumbo clot light!